Hello everyone, this is Umesh. Welcome to my channel, and today we shall discuss about what is the grammar and what is important grammar in English. Okay, today everywhere you can see that whenever you are going to outside abroad, and then you can see that everyone should know the English language. Okay, English language is most important. English language is global language. Okay, everyone should know all about it. Okay, so what is the grammar in English? Okay, today the important thing is that what is the grammar. Okay, then what is the rule regulations of this grammar that we can follow, and we can say that I can speak, I can learn about it. Okay, without grammar, without any rule and regulations, we can't explain everything. Okay, nobody can speak English without knowing grammar. Okay, maybe you can speak English, but you can't explain all these things. Okay, so let's start. And what is the grammar? So we can see here that what is grammar. Most firstly, I will tell that what is grammar. Okay, so let's start. What is grammar? What is grammar? Okay, what is grammar here? That you can see that what is grammar. The rule and RGU LATION regulation. The rule and regulations of a LANGUAGE, okay, of a language is called grammar. Okay, so in middle of the speakings, okay, I will tell you in Odia also. I can explain in Odia also. देखिए एठारे कि grammar कौन. Okay, I have already told that the rules and regulations of a language is called grammar. Okay, rules rules and regulations of a language is called grammar. Okay, कौन सी माने कौन सी आम जदि लैंग्वेज देखा कौन सी भाषा देखा ताहले निश्चित भाव से कौन ना कौन सी रूल एंड रेगुलेशन थी. ओके, सी विदाउट एनी रूल रेगुलेशन वी कांट एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग्स. ओके, हमें जदि बाटर चलुचु ताहले देखा माने बाटरे आम लेफ्ट आड़ को सीधा बेले आग को जा आसला बेले आम राइट साइड को आसवा. कौन आम जदि राइट साइड आड़ जा ताहले कौन हम आम जदि राइट साइड आड़ जा बेले एक्सीडेंट निश्चित भाव में हेबा. ओके, और लेफ्ट साइड हिसाब से आग को जा ताहले निश्चित भाव आमर डेस्टिनेशन पाथ को पहुँची जा. ओके, सो ग्रामर यहाँ हूँ कि आमको माने गोटे रूल एंड रेगुलेशंस पथरे नेब आमर डेस्टिनेशन पथ के क्लियर कर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज ग्रामर? Rule and regulations of a language is called grammar. Okay, without rule and regulations we can't handle all this language, any kind of language. But today we can see that English is most important things. Everyone should know about it. Okay, so I will tell in Sambalpuri also. Okay, तो Sambalpuri कहवा लगी बोले कि मुई इटा कहमी कि जेन आम रास्तार जाऊँ. ओके, कौन ना कौन आम रूल एंड रेगुलेशन अच्छे तेणुक से आम मानवा लगी बाध्य. ओके, से रूल एंड रेगुलेशंस मानवार द्वारा आम क्या एक्सीडेंट ना. ओके, जदि आम पालन जदि रूल एंड रेगुलेशन ना करमा नीति नियम के फॉलो ना करमा ताहले निश्चित भाव में एक्सीडेंट ही हेमा just like in English grammar we should know also about the grammar what is the importance okay what is the rule and regulations that we can follow okay then next देखिबा कि इंग्राजी पढ़ाइबा को हेले माने बहुत किसी रूल एंड रेगुलेशन को फॉलो करबा पड़े ओडिया इज आवर mother tongue okay from our childhood okay we have been learning or we have been speaking some of our language or Odia language any other language whatever maybe okay English is not our mother tongue that English is our maybe called your second language English ହେଉଛି ତମ ମାନେ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ଯାହାକି ଆମେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟରେ ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ହେଉଛି ଆଉ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟରେ ଆମର ଇଂଲିଶ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ଓକେ ସୋ ଏଥିରେ କୌଣସି ନା କୌଣସି ମାନେ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ ମାନେ ରୁଲ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରେଗୁଲେସନ୍ ଅଛି ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଫଲୋ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଓକେ ଆଉ ସେଇ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଯିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାରେ ସଫଳ ହେବା ଓକେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଏଭର୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ବି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ମାନେ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡହୁଡ଼ରୁ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ କହି ଆସୁଛି ଆଉ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ବି କହି ଆସୁଛି ଓକେ ସୋ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ଏଥିରେ ନୀତି ନିୟମ ଯାହା ବି ଅଛି ସବୁ ପାଳନ କରି ଆସିଛି ତେଣୁକରି ମୁଁ that I am able to speak English okay now I can speak English very easily okay I have learned all about the rule and regulations of English that's why I speak very speedily okay that I can speak it that you can also one day speak it the second is your person and number इंग्लिश को गोटे ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज कहुचे जेहेतु इंग्राजी सब आड़े कहुचे माने इंग्लिश देखमा कि पर्सन काଣା और नंबर काଣା पर्सन माने काଣା व्यक्ति अनेक गुड़े व्यक्ति रही था माने जेनटा कि माने मुझे पारे आपन भी हे पार ओके अन्य लोक मैंने भी होता ओके ताहले आम देखमा कि वचन काଣା नंबर काଣା ओके पर्सन काଣା व्यक्ति काଣା वचन के केते भाग विभक्त करा जायछे नंबर के तमर जन अच्छे ओके एंड पर्सन के केते भाग विभक्त करा जायछे हमें देखबा ओके विल स्टार्ट पर्सन एंड number person and number okay person and number first your person okay person has divided into three parts okay persons divided into three parts your first person okay then second person then third person okay person then numbers okay person plus number also divided into two parts okay singular number and plural number आम ओडिया रे जदि कहबा ताहले या होची एक वचन और बहुवचन ओके देखिबा सॉरी here number okay numbers singular numbers and plural number okay. singular number and plural number for the first person singular number first person singular number होचंती I first person plural number is we okay then second person singular number you, second person plural number you, okay, third person singular number he, she, it, this, that, any, single person, object, object ହେଇପାରୁଛି, okay, any single object, then animals, okay, all single, okay, all the single, okay, singular number, this is singular number and this is plural number, okay, in your plural number third person plural number is they, okay, according to person ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମାନଙ୍କ ଅନୁସାରେ ମାନେ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଯେତେ ବ୍ୟବହାର ଅଛି କ୍ରିୟା ଅଛି ସେଇ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେଟା ମାନେ ଦରକାର ପଡ଼େ, ଓକେ, ସବୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେ ବି ପର୍ସନ୍ ଅଛି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ୍ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ନମ୍ବର କି ଆମେ ଏଟାକୁ କିପରି ପଢ଼ିବା, ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ୍ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ନମ୍ବର ଆଇ, ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ୍ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ ନମ୍ବର ୱି, ଓକେ, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପର୍ସନ୍ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ନମ୍ବର ୟୁ, second person plural number you, third person singular number he, she, it, this, that, any single persons, object, animals, okay, any single, okay, any single things we can say that single objects, okay, then third person they is the plural number, okay, and also called these, okay, those, these, those, then more than one person, one person, one person, animal, okay, animal also, things, okay, things also, etc, okay, ମାନେ ଏଠାରେ ଯଦି ମାନେ ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ପର୍ସନ୍ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ ନମ୍ବର ଯଦି ଆମେ କହିବା ତାହେଲେ ଏଠାରେ କ'ଣ ହେବ କି ବହୁବଚନ ଥିବ, ମାନେ ମୋର୍ ଦେନ୍ ଟୁ ମେ ବି, ଓକେ, ଦୁଇଟି ତିନିଟି ଯାହା ବି ଥିବ, ଓକେ, ମାନେ ଏକରୁ ଅଧିକ ଦୁଇଟି ତିନିଟି ଥିବ, ମାନେ ଏକରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇକରି ମାନେ ଏକ ତ କୁହାଯିବନି, ମାନେ ୱାନ୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍, ଓକେ, ୱାନ୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍, that is called your plural number, okay, third person plural number, okay, first person I, okay, first person singular number I, second person you, third person he, she, it, okay, ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ମାନେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ପୁରୁଷ ସହିତ ଲାଗିବ he, then she, okay, here you can see that she ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ପାଖରେ ବସିବ ଏଇଟା, ଓକେ, ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ପାଖରେ ଏଇଟା ମାନେ ପୁରୁଷ ପୁଲ୍ଲିଙ୍ଗ, ଓକେ, ପୁରୁଷ ଏଇଟା, ତାପରେ କୌଣସି ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ କୌଣସି ବସ୍ତୁ ପାଖରେ ଏଇଟା ଲାଗିବ, ଓକେ, ଇଟ୍ଟା ବୁଝିଲା, ଦେନ୍ କୌଣସି ଆନିମଲ୍ ଥିବ, ପର୍ସନ୍ ଥିବ, ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ପର୍ସନ୍, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ନମ୍ବର। ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ମାନେ ଯେତେ ବି ଭାର୍ବ ଅଛି ଏହି ଅନୁସାରେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଭାର୍ବଟା ନିୟମ ଅନୁସାରେ ଚାଲେ, ଓକେ, ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ ଭାର୍ବକୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିଥାଉ, ବୁଝିଲା। ସୋ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ମାନେ ସବୁ ବୁଝା ପଡ଼ୁଥିବ, ଓକେ, ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବେ। ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟେକ୍ ୟୁର୍ ସ୍କ୍ରିନଶଟ୍, ଓକେ, ତୁମେ ସ୍କ୍ରିନଶଟ୍ ବି ନେଇପାରୁଛ। ପର୍ସନ୍ ଶିଖିଲ, ନମ୍ବର, ପର୍ସନ୍ କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର, ତିନି ପ୍ରକାର, ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ୍, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପର୍ସନ୍, ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ପର୍ସନ୍, ନମ୍ବର କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର, ଦୁଇ ପ୍ରକାର, ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ନମ୍ବର ଆଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ ନମ୍ବର। एकवचन बहुवचन ओके इन ओडिया एकवचन आउ बहुवचन ओके एकवचन बहुवचन एटा एक अधिक थी ओके एटा आई यू दुईटी एठारे यू अच्छे दे आर different in you okay you or this is the you one person okay second person you okay you is single person and this you is more than one plus okay there may be two persons there may be three persons okay then तुम्हें माने तुम्हें भी five person okay so I hope that you can understand me whatever I have told you now that okay masa koruchi I hope that you can understand all these things that then thank you okay and watch my video and regularly I will release all these videos about English literatures and also others videos from plus 2 and plus 3 also okay then 10th class also 9th 8th class okay I will share all these videos okay so step by step we shall discuss about all these things okay then thank you for these videos and like share comment and subscribe my videos and all the button को निश्चित भाव में दबाइए माने जो घंटी थाए ऑल बटन ऑल जहाँकि नेक्स्ट नोटिफिकेशन माने देखिपारे ओके